Guys, welcome to BLONITY Daily. First, my little disclaimer is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Riot Blockchain, Marathon Patent Group, Bit Digital, Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, Hut8, Galaxy Digital, Ether Capital, KR1, and DMG Blockchain. So let's jump right into it. Wow, that wasn't a bloody Monday, I would say. Yes, on Friday I said, yeah, maybe there's a correction incoming, and that's why I built this cash position of 10%. I'm happy that I did, but I didn't expect such an enormous correction here with 28% from the all-time high 3 days ago, and today we were close to 30,000. But yeah, I will always say in my videos, these things happen. This is Bitcoin. We have crazy potential to the upside, but then always this correction happens when the weekends got shaken out, and then it starts again. And yeah, the smart investors and the whales, they try to use these opportunities to buy and accumulate cheaper, and that's what we should do also. So in the morning, I start. There was this dip here. This one here, and I thought, okay, 20% dip, maybe that's it. And I started to buy some Hive, some Riot, as I said yesterday with my strategy, a little bit Argo. Yeah, but in the afternoon, everything changed. The market opens in Canada and US, and Hut8 was minus 40%. And the other ones in the US miners were like minus 10, minus 12%. And yeah, I changed my strategy and started to sell a Riot, Mara, Bit Digital, some Hive, some Bitfarms, and Argo Blockchain. Only some of the shares of these companies, and used my remaining cash to put it all into Hut8. So I overweighted Hut8 very big at minus 40%. So right now we are at minus 28. So it seems like that Hut8 is recovering the fastest. So right now the move looks smart, but it's too early to say. We will see how this develops. Also, Bitcoin looks right now, it can recover maybe from here. Maybe we'll go again, test again the 30,000 and build a double bottom or so. But yeah, there was a lot of volume here down there. There were these green wicks here down there. So I hope this was the bottom here, close to 30,000. And yeah, we can move up right now to the upside. I hope so. Also, Ethereum was is right now minus 19%, and we are at 1,000 US dollars. And yeah, the problem is the people are panicking when this happens. But if we zoom out a little bit, we are right now at the level 1 week ago, or above 1 week ago. So we lost the gains of 1 week, and I expect right now we recover and then we move again. And I always say in my videos, we can see 50% drops in 1 day for a mining company. Today it was 40% for Hut8, but only short term. And what was interesting, there were a lot of miners like Riot and Mara. Their losses are smaller than Bitcoin. Here we can see Riot 11%, Mara like minus 8%, and yeah, Bitcoin is minus 14%. So I always thought that the miners in the bull market, and when the price is rising, the miners have more gains, and we're seeing it in the last few days. But when Bitcoin drops, the miners will drop bigger, and some of these miners drop bigger, but not all, which is very interesting. So some of them seem more stable than Bitcoin right now. But okay, so that's the prices. I hope you use this opportunity to accumulate more, because that's how we should see these drops. That's why you should always have some cash on your hand. I was happy that I had this cash position from Friday, the 9%. Yeah, I was investing it today, so I'm now close to zero again. So I hope that's the drop and we don't drop bigger, but a 28% drop within 3 days. Yeah, looks pretty substantial, and I hope that's it. Okay, but we have news here from Hut8 Mining Corporation, and maybe that's why the price dropped. For me, it's very bullish, but okay. Yeah, they made a private placement with institutional investors from the US, like Bitfarms, for 77.5 million Canadian dollars. These are $60 million, so this is very big. And yeah, for this they offered like 15.5 million common shares, which is a dilution of 15%. And yeah, they want to use this capital for infrastructure expansion, equipment purchases, and repayment of debt. So infrastructure expansion and equipment purchases, this looks for me they will soon announce some of a big expansion on their facilities. And yeah, the repayment of debt is also very good because they don't have to sell their Bitcoin, so I can adjust my BMXI model with the collateral. They will use this cash to repay the debt. They have right now like 20 million US dollars, and they will use this money to repay the debt, and they don't have to sell their Bitcoin, which is very nice. Yeah, the market don't like this dilution. We have seen this in Mara, we have seen this in Bitfarms in the last few days. So yeah, that's what happened, I think, to Hut 8 in combination with the Bitcoin price drop and the panic. And yeah, we should use these opportunities to accumulate more. Also, they work with HC Wainwright and Co. together, like Bitfarms, like Mara, like Riot. So these are the established go-to guys when you need money, I guess. So there's some other news from Bitfarms. They added their second Canadian dollar, 20 million Canadian dollar private placement here with the US investors. So there's also again some dilution happened, but we expected that. So they have now like 40 million Canadian dollars within 1 week added. And yeah, these are more than 30 million US dollars. So I think Bitfarms will announce soon also some big expansion plans. We have some news from Argo Blockchain. They will get 1,000 miners as 19 miners in the end of January, so earlier than expected. So they will have 748 petahash before the end of January, and the rest of the ordered machines will arrive in mid-February, which is very nice for Argo to get these new machines earlier than expected. So let's check the data here. We can see that the hash rate of Bitcoin is rising unless the price is dropping. And that's why the mining profitability is falling big right now from yesterday 29 cents per day per terahash to 21 right now. Yeah, the hash rate is rising and the price is dropping, means a lot lower mining profitability. What's very interesting is that in Ethereum we see the opposite. The price is rising, but the price is dropping big, but the mining profitability is rising. This is very interesting because we have a lot of fees right now. There is more fees here, 2.88 transaction fees per block than the fixed block reward of 2. And yeah, we can see it here on the daily. These are 18,700 ETH per day in transaction fees. So this is very good for the miners. So we are right now close to 10 cents per day per 1 mega hash. So Hive is our only miner in my portfolio, which mines Ethereum. So Hive will they don't have any trouble right now with the price drop. They make more money than yesterday, which is very interesting, I guess. Okay, so that's about the data. And yeah, I will show you very short my BMXI here. We can see with the prices of right now or a few minutes ago, we can see that Hut 8 seems in my model here the cheapest, and that's why I started in the morning. I started to buy Hive, Riot, and other things, and in the afternoon I changed my strategy and sold some Hive, some Bitfarms, some Argo, some Mara, some BitDigital, some Riot, and put all this money into Hut 8. So I overrated right now my portfolio with Hut 8, like 43% is it right now, and I expect a big rise in the upcoming days. So yeah, this is a little bit risky, but I think Hut 8 right now has the biggest growth potential. Before this 40% drop, it was my BMXI leader yesterday, and now it's obviously the number one. So I think, in my opinion, Hut 8 is a good buy right now. You have to make your own decision, but that's my strategy today. So guys, yeah, these days happen. Stay strong. Yeah, no emotions. It's very difficult, I know this, but if you do the right moves right now, you can make more money after a drop than without the drop. If you move right now into the right direction, if you adjust your strategy or your portfolio, if you do it right, then you have lots of opportunities, I guess, and that's how we should see these things. So guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.